Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Droning. It's Wednesday the 6th of March 2024, back at Anfield Road for another update on the progress. Just looking over towards the shoulder, round by the window, looks like they've taken a lot of the cladding off. I'm not sure what the reason is there, whether there's some issues, but it's all getting corrected, thankfully. To my right, they're carrying on with the latest part of the road, so checking on that later in the video. And also to my left, the white landscapes, carrying on with the landscaping part. Like what you see, please like, share, subscribe. I'll try and merge the ground with the drone footage as normal. Without further ado, let's get the drone up. And welcome back everyone, we are airborne. We're going to start by the main stand and where the beginning of the road is, and see how to get on with that last section, I believe it is. So we'll go over now, have a look. So a small section there. So zoom in with the camera. And that, I believe, is the final piece. I'll zoom back out. I'll put some ground footage on the screen now for you. And welcome to the first ground footage of the day. This is the last section, I believe. Just putting some curbstone in. You have to cut especially for the area. Make sure it's all level with the spirit level. Maybe another day or two work here to go, but it's looking really good. To the right, it's good to see the cladding finally done, the top there. Just that big section to do now on the shoulder. It's fantastic. So I'll leave these guys carry on, and we'll get the drone back up and carry on flying. And as you saw, they were just doing some of the curbstones, and they were just like edging it off, making it a bit level so it would fit in place. So yeah, they spoke to a couple of the guys, and they reckon it's another day or two to go, and then that's done. It's good to finally see the cladding finally done at the front of Anfield Road stand. Now we just await the big sections there, but there's some little bits to be done still on the other side of Anfield Road, SKD's stand side. There's definitely no changes in the tier sections, but I will have a look at the end of the video, just a quick glance. Right, landscapes are carrying on with the landscaping jobs. When I bumped into them, they reckon they're going to be here till around Tuesday, so they're tidying up and finishing off their section at the back of Anfield Road. But the landscaping part looks absolutely immense now, looks brilliant. All the whole fencing is now being pushed forward towards the road. You can just see there, the whole fence has been brought forward. Capping wise, that is nearly going to be done in the next couple of days also. You've still got that little bit there. A lot of the back has been done now. I'll go towards the left now and show you. And I believe it's just that section there now, where you see the green platform. That is the final little stretch to be done. And below me, they've been taking up some of the slabs for doing some cosmetic jobs down below there, but what we'll do is go down to ground level and show you a different angle. Just going around ground level for some different footage. Got some of the slabs up because there's a bit of cosmetic work going on. So it's just small jobs being done around Anfield Road. Above me, that's the other angle of the capping being done along the top there. There's not much left to do now. All the right hand side is pretty much complete. So leave those guys carry on, we'll get back in the air. And as you saw down there, it's always good to get the perspective from different angles. I'll drop down a little bit, I'm a little bit too high. So we'll carry on going towards the left. Apologies, you can hear all the police sirens in the background. It looks like they're doing a little section at a time. Those guys carry on. I believe they're like doing some little cosmetic jobs around the further stones earlier. Don't know if they're still there, but it's good to finally see that last upright now in place. Right there, that one. So I'm guessing we won't need a heavy lifter again now. So have a look what was in that like bucket, whether it was like cement or anything. Can't really see, it looks dark from where I'm looking. I will fly up a little bit. I think there's somebody there right at the edge. Going to a bit of a faster mode. The wind's blowing me a bit there. Yeah, I think they're just lifting up little stones and just making sure they're all, I don't know if it's seeing if they're all level or what, but it's good that they're going through all the ones that aren't right. There's two missing. Oops, camera's going on one there. I don't think it was that windy, but now I'm airborne. The wind is blowing the camera around quite a bit. There's two more there to go back in. Yeah, the wind is definitely stronger than I thought. Yeah, you can see that gap there, still got to be plugged, cladding wise. Climb. Back off, point towards the Shankler gates. I'll see you down there for a different angle. Welcome back to the last ground footage. That's how it looks like this end. I believe this is how it's staying now. I thought it was going to be block paving all the way down, but it's not. Still a little bit of cladding to be done on the shoulder, underneath. Cosmetic jobs being done by the further stones, and also further up. So it's just all smaller jobs being done around the road itself, around the stones themselves. So yeah, that's how it's looking ground level. Back in there to finish off the video with the drone. And as you saw there, it is all just little jobs being done today. The camera back in, we're going to climb a little bit and have a quick look on that corner. And I think we'll wrap the video up there. The odd viewers were noticing little jobs being done in the corner. I just noticed those two guys there, but apparently there were other little jobs being done that I never picked up on. So we're gonna
max altitude reached.
Drop down a little bit, go forward in. That red screening's still in place, isn't it? There's some guys down there, 2 or 3, doing something near the front corner section. I'm not going to drop down anymore because I'm just going to lose signal. We'll stay with those guys a little bit more. It's all prep work, isn't it? Ready for the little tier sections, I believe. I'm getting a few wind warnings, so I'm going to get out of there now. But yeah, it's just little jobs being done around Anfield Road. We'll go straight over the back this time. Start dropping. Turn. As you saw in the intro, underneath the shoulder, they took a lot of the cladding off. So I'm going to put a little video on now of a close-up look of how it's looking. There must have been something not right about it for them to take it all off. And they're moving that cherry picker. Possibly. Yeah, I think we're going to wrap this one up there. So it's just like smallish jobs being done around Anfield Road and the stand itself and the corner. If you like what you click like, share, subscribe. GreyBeard Droning will be here again on Friday. I'll also be going over to Bramley Moor Dock to do my first video over there as well. So we're going to start carrying on till the end with Anfield Road. There's going to be a lot more coming from Anfield. I'm going to do a lot of the match days as well. I've got all the ground equipment now. They're on charge as we speak at home. So I might be using that Friday to give it a try. At Anfield Road first, then Bramley Moor. Plenty to come on the channel. Thanks for sticking around. Popularity on this channel has been growing immensely since I started doing the ground footage merged with the drone. That might be a bit hard at Bramley Moor because of that gigantic wall that's in the way, but we'll see what we can do. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Loads more to come from Anfield, even after the project and the build is all finished. There's a whole season. I'll be here. Thanks for watching all. Enjoy the rest of your day and night.